How to return Shein items. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can return a Shein item that you have just placed the order in. So, let us begin. First, open up your Shein app. After you open your Shein app, just go to your orders section. To go there, tap on Me on the bottom right, and then you will see the My Orders section. You can simply tap on Processing there or tap on View All and then go to Processing. After you're there, you will see all of your orders here. Just select the order, or you can simply tap on Return Item there. Tap on Return Item and then select a refund method. After you select a refund method, just type in your reason for refund or return and then tap on Return Method. And after you do that, you will just have to tap on Submit and you have basically returned the Shein item, and that is basically it. And that is how you return the items on Shein. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye.